Right now, there are businesses that are getting fined or sued for having websites that are out of compliance with various new laws and regulations. Did you know that business websites must be ADA compliant and accessible for all people? Also, business websites that contain plagiarism or use unlicensed images can result in tens of thousands of dollars in fines and lawsuits. And business websites not using SSL security are putting their users' privacy at risk and jeopardizing their search rankings. And that's just the beginning. Business websites must also have a privacy policy. Plus, any website that collects leads or sells something must have a disclaimer, terms and conditions, and give consent for using cookies. If business owners fail to do any of the above, they could find themselves losing customers, getting fined by the government, penalized by the search engines, or sued for thousands of dollars per violation. Unfortunately, most business websites are missing at least one of these important things, and many businesses are out of compliance for multiple issues. This has become such a huge issue. It's projected that over 100,000 website owners will be fined or sued for non-compliance this year.